I broke my own rules this week. I talk a lot on this channel about systems, energy tracking, task audits, batching, protecting your time. And this week, I ignored all of it. And I want to be honest and not just give you advice I do not follow myself. So I started a new job recently, and I've worked full-time while creating before. This isn't new for me. I've made videos about how to do it. But this role is different. More responsibility, management duties, higher cognitive load. It's not just clock in, do the work, and clock out. I'm problem solving all day, and I made a mistake. I assumed my old systems would just work. Same batching schedule, same scripting day, same energy level in the evenings. But that's not how it works. The system I built before was for a different chapter. It was for different workload, different energy demands. And I just carried it over without recalibrating. So what happened? Tuesday evening, my usual editing time, I had nothing. I'd spent all day on After Effects for my work and my brain was empty. On Wednesday, upload day, I had no video ready. I pushed it to Thursday, then Friday, and now I'm filming something I didn't even script. I just have some notes. But that's not the system. That's panic mode. And the worst part is I teach this stuff. I literally have a lesson on the energy tracker, on the task audit, on adjusting your systems when things change. And I didn't follow my own advice. So what I learned from that, systems work, but they're not set and forget. When your life changes, new job, new responsibility, new chapter, you have to recalibrate. You have to rerun the energy tracker, redo the task audit, figure out where your time and energy actually go now, not where they used to go. I skipped that step. I trusted the old setup blindly, and it broke. So what I'm doing this week, I'm redoing my energy tracker, logging when I actually have creative energy now, not when I used to have it. I'm redoing my task audit because my workload is different. My priorities are different. And I'm adjusting my expectations. Maybe film 1 or 2 videos in a week instead of 4 until I find a new rhythm. That's not failure. That's the system doing what it's supposed to do, showing me when something needs to change. If you're in a transition right now, so new job, new responsibilities, new life chapter, and your old routines aren't working anymore, this might be your sign. Don't push harder on a system built for a different life. Recalibrate. The tools still work. You just have to use them again. If you're not sure what's going on with your energy right now, I have a free quiz that helps you figure out what type of burnout you might be dealing with. It takes 2 minutes and the link is in the description. We see us in the next video.